Hey guys, today let's learn how to do the smooth slow-mo on the Capcut application. So if you want to go ahead and do this smooth slow-mo effect on the Capcut application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and import these preferred files on the Capcut application. And then from here, I would like you guys to proceed with tapping on the video and going over onto the video basics over here. Scroll down until you see the speed. So basically it's not going to be located on basic, it's going to be located over here on the speed option. So go ahead and tap on that, and basically you should see the option to increase and decrease its speed. Now if you want to go ahead and basically let's say reduce the speed of a specific part of a video, then what we can do to do that is to actually utilize the customize or the curves that we have over here. So we could actually go ahead and tap on montage over here and set a specific curve to basically slow-mo a specific part of a video only and not the whole thing. So from here we can actually go ahead and edit these curves. As you see, we have the specific time frame over here from 20 seconds and 14 seconds, and we can actually go ahead and change these parts to adjust and reduce the speed of only specific parts of the video. As you see, when you want to go ahead and reduce the speed of a specific part, what we want to do is to go ahead and basically tap on this option called smooth slow-mo, and that's automatically going to apply the frame blending option. Or you could also go ahead and tap on the drop down and change that, but frame blending is going to basically generate faster. And we also have one option called optical flow. It is going to give you better quality. So in this case, once that is done, all we need to do is adjust the speed of these selected video parts. And in this case, let's say you want to go ahead and adjust the speed of only the middle part over here. So what I want to do is to go ahead and tap on customize, and let's go ahead and basically just add some specific time frames over here and basically edit out on how we want it to look like. So now as you see over here, what we can do is to go ahead and now edit the specific parts of the video. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this part over here, and I'm going to go ahead and basically adjust this part of the video to slow-mo a little bit, and also this part over here we could also slow-mo that part and make it a smoother transition by slow-moing the specific frames right beside it right here. So just follow and go ahead and try this out yourselves and see if that will actually look as what you guys desire. As you see, it's going to slow-mo just that part of the video, and once that is done over here on our time frames, we could actually see that it's going to slowly transition back to normal speed. And that's how you guys could have the general idea of how to enable smooth slow-mo. Of course, you also need to have this enabled so that you can also enable frame blending or optical flow. Now that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.